Hello guys, welcome back to Bangia Mining, and today we are gonna download the Exodus crypto wallet on the desktop. So let's go ahead and click download, and when it's download, let's open it. Right here you can see is when you can restore your wallet. And over here you can see where you can make your first deposit and manage all of your cryptocurrencies, our highest balance and our portfolio's age. Click over here to wallet. Here's Litecoin, and over here you can see, and if you click receive, here's your Coin address. And if you click send, here you can send your Coin to other Coin wallet addresses. Over here you can see our price chart, which has been changed. All of this will be same with Bitcoin, Ethereum, when you click send, receive and exchange, and other cryptocurrencies. And Exodus is a very good beginner wallet. And it's also great for support. And you have a lot of multi-coin exchange in it, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Dash. And over here, if we click Exodus share, this is where you can buy part of Exodus. And if you click profile, this is your investor profile, and if you click invest, you're gonna first have to create your profile to invest in Exodus. Coming here and clicking history, here you can see all your transactions that you have made. And over here for support, they can help you with setting up your Trezor or updating your Exodus wallet. And over here, if you click settings, you can see you can enable and disable different types of currencies. Clicking on devices, you can sync devices like your mobile phone and install Trezor Bridge, which you can pair your Trezor devices with. Personalize, where over here you can change your colors, and if you want to create and manage a portfolio in your wallet, and your currency and the wallet navigation. Over at security, you can auto lock for a specific time duration, which over here we've put 5 minutes. And backup over here, if you click view secret phrase, and here are all apps. You can see your portfolio, wallet, exchange, and featured apps, which is Exodus. Share some pros and cons about Exodus. Pros are like it has a huge variety of cryptocurrencies and built-in exchange, and with very good customer support. Its cons are it's not a fully open source. Remember to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.